Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me concentrate on preparing mango ginger chutney. Mango ginger, let us know its health benefits and uses. It is popularly known as manga inchi. It's a powerful spice as per Ayurveda. It looks like a normal ginger but tastes like a mango. Almost in all the major languages, we call in different names. In Bengali, Amada. In Gujarati, it is called as Amba Haldi. In Malayalam, manga inchi. It is widely cultivated in Gujarat, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It is planted in the month of April and harvested 7 to 8 months later. Now let me explain you the health benefits of mango ginger. Mango ginger is known for several therapeutic properties. It is mainly used for digestive issues. It is antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. In Ayurveda, it is usually used for pitta dosha. Mango ginger is excellent for digestive problems. It contains an enzyme called enterokinase. Mango ginger is very good for breathing problems. Mango ginger paste is used for skin problems. Mango ginger reduces swelling in your body. Mango ginger paste is used for removing dandruff from your hair. Let me explain you the Ayurvedic uses of mango ginger. Mix mango ginger with a glass of buttermilk to treat indigestion and improve appetite. Massaging with mango ginger along with sesame oil can relieve pain. Mix and consume mango ginger with honey to cure cough and cold. Apply mango ginger with rose water to treat skin conditions. Now finally let me come to the culinary uses of mango ginger. Mango ginger chutney is very popular. You can make pickles, sauce and candies also. Now how to prepare mango ginger chutney? So first take a few rhizomes of mango ginger. Take 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Then 2 or 3 green chilli, then a tablespoon of lemon juice, and along with that you can use alternatively a tablespoon of coriander. Now mix them together using a mixer grinder and then finally temper it. You will have a delicious mango ginger chutney. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Your one like will motivate me to bring with the many more such interesting Ayurvedic remedies. Thank you.